I have learned countless of words. I have learned tenses, grammar. I frame sentences correctly well. But after doing and learning all these things, still I'm unable to speak fluently. I get stuck. Now, what should I do? How I can speak English fluently? So hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Learn English with Nisha. So my friend, if this problem is yours, then my friend, this is the right video for you. Because in this video you are going to find your solution. You are going to get your solution to solve this problem and become speak fluently. So stay connected with this video till the end. My friend, see, before telling you the solution, let me tell you why it happens. What is the reason? So see, my friend, after knowing and learning all the things, be better in all the things. Why it happens? So it happens, you know, not lack of word, lack of using word in your mind, in our mind, in your mind. There are lot of word we have learnt, and those are in our mind, but all words are not active in our mind. Some words are active in our mind and some are in passive in our mind. Those are active in our mind, we are able to use them. Those words come automatically while speaking in flow, but those are in our mind but not active, that don't come while speaking. We know the Hindi of that word, we have learned, but that don't come while speaking. Why? Because that is not active in our mind. So what is the need to do for this? So my friend, for that we need to activate those words in our mind, so that those words also should come flow while speaking automatic. And how we can do that? So, one thing I'm telling you, as we know that learning word is very important to expand our vocabulary, so that we can speak, express ourselves, articulate our thought freely, freely, confidently, and for that we should have word. So, as we know this and we learn word, every day we try to learn new word. So I'm telling, stop learning new word and start revising old words, old vocabulary. Whatever you have written your previous notebook, just need to revise them. So take your past previous notebook, choose 2 3 words from there, and if you have written with example, it's okay. But let me tell you one important things, my friend. Whenever you are writing any new word, then write with example. No matter from where you are speaking, from reading, from listening, but always speak with sentences. If you speak with sentence, then you know what will happen. You will learn meaning of that word and context also, that in which context you have to use, in which context that word has been used, you will learn. Otherwise, we also face this problem. We have word, we know the word, but we are unable to use them. How I should use? Because some words are adjective, some words are noun, some words are verb. So we can't use all in same way. No, there is different usage of every word, and it makes us confused, even meaning also. So always speak with sentences. So let's suppose you haven't done that one, you have only wrote words alone. Then go on Google, search the meaning of that word, how many meaning of that word in Hindi, and also go down and search about example, See that how many context way that word has been, what example are there. Write them, understand them, create sentences on the base of them, and do the practice in this way. After that, creating all the things, like one you will search, get to know, then example, then you will create your own example. After that, you have to write that one, keep in front of you when you are going to talking with someone. Yeah, when you are going for writing, that time also you have to keep that word in front of you, and then it will trigger in your mind that you have to use this word while speaking, yeah, while writing. In this way, by creating sentences using in is your speaking, in writing, you can activate those words which is in your mind, which you have remember, but that is in passive form, that doesn't come while speaking automatic. So you can activate them, make them active word in your mind, and then that will start coming, while speaking slowly, effortlessly. So my friend, this is what you need to do. See, there are many of region which are not let us to speak fluently, but you know if in your case you are good at sentences, framing, grammar, you have word everything, you do practice reading, practice speaking, practice, then what is, then what related region could be, and because of this you are unable to speak fluently, you are getting stuck while speaking, words don't come, and this is the reason you are unable to speak fluently and get stuck. So if this problem in your case, then I told you how you can fix it, overcome it, and get rid of. So my friend, now I hope you understood then how you can do it and how you can overcome it. So if you are going through this issue, then definitely apply it, it will going to help you definitely completely.